Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Hood up, gloves on, tools ready. First, loosen the negative battery clamp with a 10 mm wrench and lift it clear. This prevents accidental grounding and sparks. Once done, move to the positive clamp and remove it. Remove both clamps from their posts so you can access corrosion and fit new terminals. Make sure the car's ignition is off and keys are away. That's how you prevent system damage while you work on the electrical connection. Now focus on the middle work. Remove the old terminals, cut them off if seized, and inspect cable strands for corrosion or breakage so you know if a repair is needed. Clean the battery posts and cable ends with a baking soda paste to neutralize acid, then scrub with a wire brush. Drying is essential to prevent future corrosion. Fit the new terminals so the cable strands seat fully. Crimp or bolt them per the terminal design, ensuring a solid mechanical and electrical connection. Finish by reconnecting the positive terminal first, then the negative. This reduces the risk of shorting during reconnection. Tighten clamps snugly, but don't crush the post. You want good contact without damaging the battery. Verify at rest with a multimeter around 12.6 volts, then start the engine and confirm charging voltage between about 13.7 and 14.7 volts. If the car won't start or accessories act up, make sure clamps are tight, posts are clean, and fuses or grounds weren't disturbed. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.